Okay, we're going to remodel these columns, turn these into some nice stone columns. So to get started, we need to measure from the center of the end columns over 10 inches because we're going to make the framing 20 inches square. And then with the sheeting, that'll make it at 21 inches. And then with the stone installed, it should be pretty close to 24, varying because of the thickness of the stone. So we'll transfer the line we'll measure over from center of the post over 10 inches, level down to the footing and mark it on both ends. And then we'll pull a string across the middle because the posts are different. They're not in a perfectly straight line. So we'll transfer level down to the footing and mark it at the footing on all of these. And then we'll nail down some base plates. There's a ton of ways to do the base plates. You can use tap cons, you can use red heads or Titan bolts. There's a lot of different ways. This is just a simple way to do it. It works. It's pretty solid. You can go through the expense of buying Titan bolts or something if you want to do it that way. But this is a way that we've done it in the past and it's worked really good, so we're going to do it this way again. So after you get your base plates, you level up from your base plate and nail the same size as your boards to the bottom of the beam. And then you just frame it down, put your 2x4s in there, and then sheet the columns. And then you tar paper it. We'll wrap it with lath and then put the stone on it.